Good morning and welcome to my brand new recipe of my favorite vegetable, okra. As you know, okra is a very slimy vegetable, so you must fry it quite well, and also should cut it so the inside of it is exposed. As you can see, I have split it in the middle into half. First thing we are going to do is fry some onions finely chopped until they're golden brown. Into it, I'm going to add some white cumin and black cumin seeds. Stir around just for a few seconds. Then add your okra. After adding the okra, turn the heat down and keep frying it until the okra becomes very dry. So my okra has been cooking for exactly 10 minutes. It's gone through its slimy phase and it's becoming a bit crispy, which is nice and dry, and that's what you want with the okra. You don't want it very slimy. So persevere with the initial 5-10 minutes of the cooking phase when it's slimy, and it will become dry and crispier. Now into this we are adding garlic paste, ginger paste. Cook this until the raw smell of the garlic is gone. So our garlic is well cooked. I can't smell any raw garlic anymore. Now we're going to add our spices. So I have normal salt and black salt, garam masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and I have ground some dried pomegranate seeds. Cook the spices for about 8 minutes, and I have been cooking it for about 8 minutes now. And into it, last thing I'm going to add is some tomato puree, about a tablespoon. Mix it together, and we leave it for another couple of minutes for the tomato puree to cook. There we are, our okra is ready. After a couple of minutes, we're going to garnish it with some fresh mint. Let's have a taste. It's very nice, very tasty, lovely tangy taste of the ground pomegranate, and also the black salt comes through. Really, really nice. I'm sure you'll enjoy this recipe. Have it with naan bread or chapatis and you will absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.